Welcome guys, Cream Bars back again with another reaction video. Today I'm going to check out SK Massacre. This is basically a Barbadian dancehall artist. Honestly God, I did just like I didn't know that Trinidad actually did dancehall music. Barbados is literally far from my mind of doing dancehall music. I'm least surprised about Trinidad than Barbados. No, I'm more surprised about Barbados than Trinidad, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna see SK.
Star point. One murder. Badness we deal with, we shot them all. All who not rate me, fuck them all. I step through the door, hear them say them hate me. Suck your mama, tell your mama come suck my balls. Barbados.
What the what did the dude say? Yo, dude, this sound just like this sound like, dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna do some comparison here. The way this dude start this song, it's kinda sound like Prince Swan in a way. Cause I react to some Trinidad song, dancehall, and his voice sound very similar to Prince Swan here. I'm swear of it, bro. I honestly God. I might do that and tell the man that I'm sucking balls.
All who not rate me, fuck them all. I step through the door, hear them say them hate me. Suck your mama, tell your mama come suck my balls.
Yo, that's it.
Be a bad tree, fuck a one dancey girl. We bad long time and no fucking sense from school days. Them put me in the dancey class. We fully done spot the ras. Now take bull.
Although, to tell the truth, I don't believe in the fully done thing. You see me? Me believe in education, but okay. But the song sound good, the rhythm sound good.
And everybody they take off like underdraws. You shoulda moved with a 10-man entourage. All them must be back at that no work for mass. Shoulda just gone to church this Sunday man. Richer mom keep she off me Instagram. Me move with the 4-5 and the extra mark. To make up a reindeer like Santa Claus. Body get fine they with the ganja plan.
Yo, I'm convinced that all of the Caribbean islands can do dancehall. That is sound just like a dancer, like Jamaican dancer. Sound exactly the same. Just like how Trinidad sound like Jamaican dancehall. No, but the thing that I don't think Barbadians have an accent. I don't really sure. Unlike Trinidad, where kind of surprised that Trinidad have an accent. Someone say there's a bigger pussy than between Shabba and legs. Yo, Shabba, I don't know who you are, but you just got this.
If we pull up like Miss Ram, them have to left. Holla tic tac, ref not as my catch. Do you believe there is a life after death? See the Glock one raise like a gigapet. And then the llama nose are longer than a dominant. And they carry 26 like the alphabet. Half of them love talk, but they're not on the track.
I'm not gonna lie, even though the song is about violence, what it is, it's actually so good. For what it is.
Me gun them don't sign in. I pull up with them liming. We can use Google Maps and find him. If we clap this, it's murder. If one of we shot them, it's murder.
Alright guys, that's the end of the reaction. Hey, this is the first time I ever reacted to a Barbados dancehall artist. And I didn't even know that Barbados does dancehall. So this is like a learning experience for me right now. Yeah, this song sounds, for what it is, even though there's thing about violence, for what it is, it actually sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. I'm more convinced now that the entire Caribbean can probably do dancehall and it sounds just like Jamaican dancehall, I'm not gonna lie. So this is the end of the reaction video. Peace out.